I can't get it. Wait, do I go in this part or that part?
Both. Scooter cam. Whee! Magic! Owie! Owie! I got a boo-boo. Owie.
Oh, did you just see that? I think I ripped my shirt. No, oh. Those are my shorts, never mind. I thought I ripped my pants.
What are you doing?
I was getting a basketball.
There's none in there. I feel like I have a piece missing out of my toe. Like, not even kidding. Like when I push on it, it's gone. You're weird. What, Aaron?